So I thought today I'd take a quick look at Debbie's plot, quick tour around, and yeah, the Jerusalem artichokes are looking really good there. So she's got them tied in. I'm the one who eats most of the Jerusalem artichokes, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm really happy about the apples, because on my plot the apples are rubbish, but on Debbie's plot the apples are really good. There's a few marks on the skins and things, but we use a lot of these for apple sauce and things, so it doesn't really matter. But then these, I think these are Jonah Gold, I think. These are really looking nice. Look at this jungle. This Red Delicious is really good. We've been picking these. I've got some actually that I've just picked, but these are not quite ready yet, those few. And we've got a little fig tree here, and plum trees, which have been really good this year, and the pear trees, which have it's not been quite as good, but still, I mean, it's mainly the skin quality. You see here, the actual taste is amazing. This is Concord, which is my favourite of all the pears. Absolutely crisp and super sweet. And I've got some William pears down there, look. And then, yeah, these are interesting. These brassicas, which are almost all harvested now. But if you compare the harvest off here, the size of these Calabrese heads, which are in full sun, with the ones I've just picked off my plot, which are not in full sun, you can see the difference that sunlight makes. And yeah, really quite fantastic brassicas off there. And I'll just pick that little side shoot as well. That's about it. Don't want anything to go to waste. Debbie's just getting this new asparagus bed going, so we haven't picked any of that yet. We'll be picking that next year. And what have we got here? Rhubarb, and then the herb beds, which are looking a bit straggly, but now's the time we start drying all the herbs and things, so that'll be good. And 2 beds of sweet corn, which have been very heavily harvested, and we've got at least 2 good sweet corn off each plant. And got quite a lot of plants in those beds. I don't know exactly how many. I think 1, 2, 3, like over 9, 12 plants I think in each bed, which is a lot. And I was a bit unsure actually about whether there would be too many, but it's worked out really well. And I've got a few beans down here. Most of these beans I'm just leaving now for seed for next year, because we've just got so many beans. This was the onion and shallot bed, and I mean, on this plot in general, my timings have been so much better this year. I've worked quite hard on it to make sure that I can get the onions and shallots out all dried and stored away, now they are, and still get my autumn brassicas in here. So actually, not all of these are autumn, but these are Calabrese, looking really lovely. I think we're going to get a really nice autumn harvest off those. And then these are the autumn cauliflowers. And again, we're looking forward to those. And then at the end here, hopefully you can see the change in the leaves. These are the purple sprouting broccoli. I've got purple sprouting broccoli on my plot as well. And yeah, looking really nice. And very happy with this bed so far. Did most of this bed, just all red cabbages. Just took that out last week. Still got that one to take, and I've taken 2 out here. And under there, because I've still got a bit of leaf miner around, we've got the big chard bed. Well, it's not that big, but you don't need that much chard because it's so prolific. So I think that is pretty much it, apart from more herbs here, and more red cabbages down there, and more kales. So I think, my name's Steve. Well, I don't think, but I think I've finished. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment Channel. I'll see you soon.